Welcome back to our DIY series. In today's video, we'll be talking about flaxseed, particularly flaxseed gel. Let me just say this, flaxseed is that girl. Very cheap, very easy to make, and has multiple uses. All you need are flax seeds and water. Everything else is not necessary. And you're going to bring it to a boil and then strain it to get your gel. And that is literally it. It's one of the most hydrating natural products you can literally make from the comfort of your home. This process takes approximately 7 minutes to boil and an extra 10 to 15 minutes. Once you've achieved your preferred consistency, you can turn off the burner and let it cool down. Aside its hydrating properties that helps a lot in detangling hair, flaxseed gel can also be used in deep conditioning as masks with or without other products. Again, the list is endless and I wish you jump on it as soon as you can. Flax seeds are packed with nutrients, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins and minerals that work wonders for our hair and scalp. In this video, I'm applying it to your freshly washed hair, which is still a bit wet. And as you can see, this is my natural form. This is 4C hair. And applying this to my hair not just helps me to be able to properly maneuver my hair, as it is 4C and really difficult to detangle, and this just works wonders. It helps to define my coils, it helps to give my coils a soft and defined look, and it infuses my hair with moisture all at the same time. That's not all. Flaxseed gel is the perfect alternative gel to do a wash and go on your hair if you ever run out of your normal gels, or if you don't even want to use your gels in normal. It still does the same thing. All you have to do is to thicken the consistency before you turn off the heater and let it cool down properly. Because of the gel-like structure, flaxseeds can also be incorporated to make leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, and it's a very great substitute for aloe vera gel. But not to worry, I got you all covered because I'm going to be making more videos surrounding different ways you can use this flaxseed as leave-in conditioners, to make oil, to make deep conditioners, to make masks. Not just flaxseed, but other easy DIY products and videos that you can actually do. So do have to stay tuned on this channel. And just a side note, it's never too late to restart your natural journey. It's never too late to take your hair seriously this year. You can start whenever you want to, but make sure that you are committed to bringing the best out of your hair. It's not all about length, and it's more about the health of your hair and the volume of your hair. So no matter how bad your hair is right now, there is always a way to turn things around. So you have to be consistent. It also requires hard work, but you try to find a way that works for you and you only, and you can refine. If you watched up to this point, I want to say thank you, and do well to subscribe so you get more videos like this, and probably like and comment down below what kind of DIYs you'd like me to do. Bye.